What's the vibes, y'all? Keep It Funky Beer and Dank reviews coming back at you. Doing a little unboxing. Got a custom beer glass from BeerHead for the World. Sean, appreciate you, bro. Sent over his custom glass. Super excited. Let's crack it open. This will get plenty of views, no doubt. All right. Great packaging, my man. Great packaging. There we go. BeerHead for the World. Super dope. I love the old school look at it. So sick. So yeah. New glassware to the collection. Can't have enough of them, you know? Let me know if anybody else wants to see some more unboxings like this. DM, Instagram, Discord. Link tree is in the bio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's run them subs up. Let's go. As always, keep it funky, keep it real, keep it super duper 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 dank, keep it interesting. Till the next time, cheers, y'all.